keep hearing about how the food here in El Paso is so unique and so different in its own universe.
El Paso has pretty unique things as far as food that are similar to the ones in Juárez, but they have created their own identity within itself.
Oscar Herrera is one of the region's best chefs. He owns and operates restaurants in both El Paso and Juárez. And I honestly couldn't think of a nicer person to introduce me to this food scene.
This is La Colonial Tortilla Factory. They do thousands of tortillas a week. And because they sell tortillas, they also sell burritos.
La Colonial is an institution here in El Paso. Ustedes son los dueños de aquí.
It was my grandparents, and then my dad and my uncle took over, and then now it's my turn.
How many years?
It'll be three generations. It'll be 48 years total.
So, wait, ¿tú eres el papá?
Yeah.
Ah, pues es que no me explicaron. Burritos in the US and Mexico often look nothing like one another. But here at the border, burritos manage to retain most of what makes them traditionally Mexican with some strong American influences. So I've heard that burritos really define the food of the region, but what's your point of view?
Without a doubt, the history tells us that burritos started within Juárez. In our border, the Juárez-El Paso border, it's our bread and butter.
La Colonial has so many good burritos to choose from. The first, chile con queso. And that queso?
It's 1 bar of Philadelphia, 1 bar of Velveeta.
You guys, he's sharing the recipe. Like, how generous is that?
You know what? If you try to do it at your home, it won't work.
And their next biggest seller is another cross-cultural mashup. Chile con queso with brisket. ¿Puedo pasarme a ver cómo hace el burrito? ¿Sí? I asked so that you could come in with me, okay? You're welcome. So you know, Mucho gusto, Pati Jinich, para servirles. ¿De qué quieren su burrito? Little did they know that they came in to get the burrito and I'm gonna be making it for them, but what they don't know is I'm learning how to make it. A ver, enséñame. Okay. What's the technique?
So a little bit of beans, now the queso, and then you fold the ends in.
Did you guys ask for bean and cheese?
Yes.
Because that's what I made. Oscar and I are taking these brisket burritos the way they were meant to be eaten, on the go. Oye, muchísimas gracias.
Gracias a ustedes.
We got the burritos. We're here just a couple blocks away from La Colonial.
Yeah.
We're still in El Paso.
Yep.
Pero if you cross that bridge, you're in Juárez.
Yes. So this is pretty much the borderline. That's good.
It was not good. It's phenomenal